let's move on to BirdDog. BirdDog color controls, because sometimes we're mixing and meshing cameras. So one could be BirdDog, one could be NewTek, one could be PTZ Optics or Panasonic. So sometimes you need to color correct your cameras and make sure that they are the best they can possibly be, or match the best that they can possibly be. Or let's just say the color temperature is completely wrong. You've gone in from outside and the image just doesn't look good. Well, that's where BirdDog comes in. BirdDog color tools for their cameras is absolutely outstanding, and they're constantly updating their UI. They are constantly updating the firmware, which is one of the things that I love about BirdDog. So I'm actually going to demo this for you right now. So essentially what you can do is within the UI, right now that's a P100 we have hooked up, you can control your exposure, your gain, your shutter speed. Let me just really mess with the white balance really quick. Let me crank down that, and you should be seeing just how ugly that looks. So you can do that. You can also do auto, which now that is actually the right color temperature. That's what this should be. I personally think that's a little too orange for my liking. That's a little too tungsten. So that's when you get to go to manual, and you can sort of play around a little bit. And as you can see, now I have a little bit more blue in the shot. Now I have a little more a little more daylight color temperature in there. And you can also control the sharpness. You can crank the sharpness. You can do noise reduction. I like to keep noise reduction because oftentimes with these cameras, they have a low lighting scenario. And what that noise reduction will do is it will take down those little dots that you see all over. That's called noise. You'll see those, and it'll sort of smooth them out a little bit. The result of that, though, is often a little bit less sharp of an image. The more you have to reduce your noise, this is just a tech tip from one video guy to another, the softer your image will get, because it's trying to smooth over those noise levels. So sometimes it's just a simple matter of balancing it out. But I just wanted to demo that because I think that is an absolutely really cool thing to show off.
Thank you for watching this highlight from the Videoguys live webinar. If you like this video or you want to learn more, check out the full webinar in our description, or head on over to videoguys.com for more information.